Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here, the therapist. So listen, this is our lovely Tina. So Tina, tell me your hair story.
Okay, so I wanted to get the Farrah Fawcett look.
Farrah Fawcett, yep.
Yes, and then I went to this salon and they gave me some terrible layers, as you can see here. Like, they don't match at all.
Like, listen, they gave her this layer. Look at this one layer.
It's really bad.
Okay, see that one layer? And they didn't blend anything to connect with it. So bad. So how long ago?
It was like maybe 2 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
And today we're going to do the Farrah Fawcett look, right?
Yes.
Yay. Are you ready?
I am. I'm so ready.
Yay. Here we go. Stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here, the therapist. Listen, you need hair and mindset. Listen, she's got a great mindset, totally. And she looks a lot like a Lady Gaga impersonator. This is Tina. She went and got a haircut. She wanted Farrah Fawcett. And look at, they really, I want you to see, how do I find the line, right? So look at this. First of all, she showed it to me. You see that line right there? Look how bad that line is right there. Whoa. So let's grab that and see what kind of line was that. They just picked this sucker up and cut it and left all of this one length. So bad. That is just not, yeah, that's really bad. Okay, so let's see, how are we gonna start it? Now, you know I'm going to do my beach ball on her for sure, but I'm going to take this first, and we need to angle this. We need to blend this. And she did kind of do it okay here, but look at, even right here, it's dragging here. But I can even flip this and look at where that's at. Because I really want it to come this way. Listen, she's got great natural curl in her hair. It's going to be awesome. And now I have to come down. So look, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go up. Now I'm gonna take the next section. Because that's a really strong line. I gotta really try to blend her, but I still wanna keep some of her length. It's right there. And now watch. See, that's how you know it's going to lay back really nice on its own. And she knows we got to take some of that side off because they left it, and that's just so, there's no blending. Look how pretty that'll be. See how nice? Now let me grab this piece next. So now listen, if we were doing the beach ball, this would be number 4. Actually, it's right in front of the ear. I'm going to take this, I'm going to bring it low. I'm going to pull that. I'm going to take it from here so I could still leave her some length. See, I'm coming down. Now watch when I let that go. See how beautiful that is? Now we're going to really just take this whole back of her hair. We're going to split it straight down. Look at how you could see this already coming, right? So pretty. Okay. Tina, where are you from, hon?
I'm Albanian.
Oh, wow.
I moved here 2 years.
Okay, do you live close by?
I live in Fremont.
Okay, good. So that was nice. So where did you find me?
On Instagram.
Okay. And then you looked to see where I was from? You're like, she's close, yay! Okay, so now listen. We take this little triangle here. It's a little triangle. Now this side is going to go this way. This side is going to come down and go this way. I'm going to take the next piece down. Now listen, she's got curly hair. You know this sucker's going to flip up. Just so you know, it's going to absolutely flip up. But that's okay because it's going to be on this pretty, it's going to wave and go back. Now I'm going to pull this and see. See how you comb it? You take it from here, comb it, and pull it down to see what is it going to look like, right? You see how nice that will be? Now the next piece. Okay, now I'm just going to make sure that this is cut right there. Take that off. That's way too much weight on that hair. Now it will go back really good. And you see, I have to keep making sure because I want to leave her length. So I want to make sure that it's still nice and layered enough, but yet leave her length. So there's a way to do it. Now I'm going to comb my fingers down. Keep going down. One more snip. Now I'm going to do it the last one. And now I'm going to take this whole back. I'm going to flip it forward to see. Look, right there, that extra. Now this is going to be her length. This is the bottom. And I just have to take a little. But I want to show you this. Look at this. See how that works? Look at how nice both of them are, right? You see, can it do that? If you can't do that, it's not going to lay right. You have to be able to make sure. There you go. That's the outline. Now we'll do the beach ball. Look at how cute. It's going to be good. Okay, now she's got some hair. Whoa. She's got some beautiful, beautiful hair. Okay, beach ball, guys. Remember, step one right here. You're going to take an inch, pull it up, and you're going to start your layers there. This is going to be beach ball number 2. Beach ball number 3. Like a beach ball, they have like white, red, blue. White, and then white, red, blue. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's exactly the same on both sides. That's why I do it. I don't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm doing 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now look at. Now this is important because the girl gave her definitely a middle. Like that, she just picked that sucker up and I don't know what she was thinking. She probably wasn't. See, so now we're going to here. I'm gonna break that baby up. We want flexibility. We want feathers and waves and ocean. Think of an ocean with all the waves in that ocean. They're like, all those, waves are so pretty. We need lots of different waves in her hair, especially because she has so much. Okay, here you're gonna see a lot. And then I'm gonna tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Get the weight off of that hair so she has volume here. See, look at this baby is gonna stand up good. Okay, right there, you gotta get that off. But I am gonna texture that, but I just wanna show you how to just make the line first. And now, look at, she has less hair. It's not as thick down here as it is here. So this is where I'm gonna tap into it because it's thicker hair. Little tiny taps. See my scissor right there? Tap, 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 tap. That's what you do. And then, look, you see, and then you'll see this hair just pop right up. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go to section number 2. Look at all this extra hair right there. So you can see it. Now we're going to look, where is it really dense? Just a little bit. I'm going to do it here. I'm going to take the bottom of this. I won't need to do a lot on this bottom. But look at that. That's ridiculous. That is like just little pieces of string that they left on there. For what? Because she wanted long hair? No, because they didn't follow through with the layers. So I want you to know, when you blow dry her hair with this brush, you should see how nice and symmetric. Look how flowy this piece is. Do you understand? It's like not extra pieces sticking out. It's not hard to blow dry. That's how you know it's the right cut. It should blow dry very effortlessly. I'm always pulling it. I take it, I pull it forward, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Wrap it, dry it. I'm gonna grab it again, pull it all forward, pull it, round it. See, now here's my edge. Okay, I want that to be the feather right there. I just dry that, and then you let it out, and then you're gonna see it. See how pretty that is? You guys can do it.
I love it.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Yay.